Here comes train number 2, less than an hour. There was a high road that came through earlier on, so I imagine the reason why the trains are back to back. Let's see what we got now. I just caught a manifest while ago. Never know, I might get surprised by this one. Oh yeah, he's highballing it. He's almost up to the Modoc Street crossing right now as we speak. Signals should be activating at any time. So I've got GE Leader. Could be a repaint. And when you see the signals going down, the gates going down, please don't drive around them. Because trains just can't stop on a dime like you think they can. Especially when you're moving 60 miles an hour, you can't stop. I mean, you can stop, but it's going to take a little bit. But that's just very, very rare. This is an empty Fairtail train. You never hardly see these come up this far of the line. Only this is a detour of some type. You should have no DP on this one.